So here we are on a nice Friday night. It's nice and calm. There's a couple other boats out on the horizon. Leaving Gimli. There's Gimli Harbor right there. The wind's about 7 knots, so it's just an easy evening sail. Just going out, gonna look at the sunset. It's about 8 o'clock at night, and oh, right above the hotel. This is awesome. Right above the hotel, there's a plane pulling a glider. They're just taking off, so there's gliding right above the hotel. He's gonna detach in a second as soon as he gets the right altitude, and the glider's gonna glide around in the sky and go for those black thermals to stay up as long as possible. Gimli, eh? So there's a couple boats out there. If you look out there, there's a power boat. Actually, it's a little sea-doo in the lake. And they're pulling some kids on a double, I don't know what you call it. Too fast for this boat. They keep going around in circles. I think they're trying to dump the kids, but it's not working. Oh, and there goes some Franklin gulls. Oh, there goes my ADD. That's cool. Yeah. Over there, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a race mark over there, just in the water. That's the north mark. And there's a full triangle here in Gimli. So there's a north mark there, and then there's an east mark. Actually, I can see it. It's so calm, I can see the east mark over there. That's very unusual. East mark is over there, and then there's a south mark over there, and that's 1 kilometer per, I think it's 1 kilometer per. Geez, I can see the east mark over there too. That's how calm the lake is. Anyways. 7 knots. Sailing along. Kids are out having fun, out on the lake. This is Manitoba. This is Manitoba time. I don't actually want to tell the world because I don't want the world to come here. How many people can go sailing by themselves and have 2 other boats out? Whoa! No one in front of me. I can sail as north as you want to go. This is crazy. Only in Manitoba. A prairie lake. This prairie lake, actually, it's unbelievable. This prairie lake, it's like the land. It's extremely flat underneath. It's pretty consistent, 30 feet deep all the way along. But I think it's the 10th largest freshwater lake in the world. Surface water. And very few people realize how big this lake is and how treacherous you can get over, like, in a minute. Anyways, I'm signing off because I'm going to enjoy a little sailing. So if you look at the Windex at the top, you can see I'm just laying down. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm just sailing according to the Windex. And it's turning. It's kind of neat, actually. Oh, I'm heading too much down, so I'm going to turn back. Sails are flopping. And in a minute. Turn back. Here it is. And you can hear it. There's no wind. Turning back slowly. It's kind of neat. I'm not looking at all where I'm going. Now you can hear it. You can hear the waves starting to splash. So it means that I'm sailing more and more on course. It's really quite an experience to sail without knowing where you're going. You can see the sun. It's setting, so it's flashing against the sail. It's crazy. Oh, picking up too much speed, so I think I'm hitting it. The idea is to do a little bit of a broad reach to get back to harbor. So I want that Windex to go on 90 degrees. I don't want it to go behind those. Turn a little bit down again. It's crazy. Just looking straight up, I have no idea where I'm going. Just sailing according to the... See, now I'm going too much downwind. Whoa! Now I gotta turn. See, the sail flopped around. I'm gonna turn around. If I sail, there you go. It's coming. Sail's gonna flop. I have no idea where I'm going. That's funny. Whew! That's crazy. I'm gonna check to see if I'm close to... Oh, I am actually pretty close to land, so I better be careful. Wow. Whoa! That's cool. This is the North Buoy. I'm going to try and come as close as I can without hitting it. Can I? Oh yeah. Here it comes. Whoa! Oh yeah. Perfect, man. There it goes. Woo! Race mark. So it's a sunset sail. Cliff thinks he can keep up to me. He's got a crew on, mind you. I'm single-handing. And you can see I'm sailing to my telltales. So I'm pretty confident that I'm going to catch him. Looks like he's standing on the stern of his boat and he's going to be the navigator. I'll let you know how we're doing in a couple minutes because I'm going to focus on sailing. I'm going to focus on beating the Mega 30. Oh, actually I am. I'm going to come down on him. I'm going to come down. Oh my god, this is awesome! He's going. Now that's picturesque right there. Look at that. Look at that. Clifford. Sailing into the sunset. I gotta go. No, I can't. Because this is just way too nice. Coming up on the Bayfield, sailing at night. It's kind of remarkable how visual this. It's crazy. What a great boat. That Bayfield, she's a great boat. Not a fast boat, but she's a great boat.